Hello guys, welcome to C tutorial part 8 powered by Make Programming Easy made by Sanjay Kumar and just supported by Madhvendra Kumar. In this tutorial we will learn about the operators in C language, means what is operator, what is the basic need of operator in C language, and what are the types of operator in C language. Just I again tell you that please leave the definition of book, please create your own definition for making it memorizable for the longer period. This is the definition that I have taken from the book. C language supports the rich set of built-in operators. An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. Operators are used in program to manipulate data and variables. So forget this definition. Just you have to memorize these two lines. What is this? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. Means an operator is simply a symbol which is used to calculate the value mathematically or logically between two operands. In the previous session, I have discussed what is operand and what is operator. Operands are the variables which just simply stores the value, and operator is a symbol which is used to calculate the values which is stored in operands. So C operators are classified into following types, means there are basically 7 types of C operators that we have to discuss in this tutorial. Now another 8th type that I forgot to write, that is pre-increment and post-increment operator. We will discuss about this operator in last video session, so please forget that and just you have to concentrate on these 7 arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise assignment, conditional and special operators. Just you focus on these 7 operators because this is the most beneficial and most important part of C language. So first one is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators, the symbols that we use in arithmetic operators, that is plus, minus, into, divide and remainder, means the two operands when we add the value between these two operators is called arithmetic operators. If we subtract the two values of operands is called minus, then multiply, then divide and the remainder. Now the second operator is relational operator. Relational operator means equal to means when we want to compare the value of two variables, when we want to compare the value to a variable which is not equal to, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, these all symbols are categorized under relational operators. Don't worry about these operators. We will see the programming or code of each operators in great detail in later video session. Just in this video tutorial I have given only the demo of or overview of each and every operators in C language. Now the next is logical operator. Logical operator means this is logical and logical or and this is logical not, when the value of two variables are true. Means if just suppose I have taken two values a and b and the values are a equal to true and b equal to true, it means when the both conditions are true, then this code, this operator executes, and when either one of the two is true, then logical or is executed, and if both are false, then this operator works. So logical and logical or and logical not. Again I tell you, don't worry about the code, or for understanding we will discuss about each and every operator and its usage in later video session. In this session I have discussed about only the overview of all operators. Next one is bitwise operator. Symbols are and, bitwise or, this is bitwise exclusive or, this is left safe and this is right safe. Means these 5 operators are used under bitwise operators. Now the next operator is assignment operators. Assignment operators means nothing when we assign value from right to left, means a equal to 2 means 2 is assigned to a. Suppose this is an example, a equal to a plus b means the calculated value of a plus b is assigned to a, so equal to is called assignment operator. And now these symbols are nothing, these are called the shorthand operators. Means what does plus equal to indicates? It is nothing when a equal to a plus b means when a comes 2 times, then we can write it is only of one time, and by using shorthand operator a equal plus equal to b, means nothing. A equal to a plus b. By using shorthand operator, a plus equal to b, both values are same. So better to use a plus equal to b because it somewhere means lose a variable. Now the next thing is conditional operator, and guys, please understand it very carefully because conditional operators are very useful in our later video session because it makes programming too much easy and just decrements the value, or you may say the length of coding. Because if you want to compare three or four numbers, then if we use by using conditional statements, if suppose we gonna use if else, then multi times means 20 to 30 lines it makes to compare three values. But by using conditional operators, it will take only just 1 to 2 lines to compare three or more values. So just understand what is conditional operator. Expression is expression 1, expression 2, expression 3 means when the value of expression 1 is true, then expression 2 executes. When the value of expression 1 is false, then expression 3 executes. Don't worry about programming, we will see the programming of each and every operator in later video session. Now the next thing is special operator. Symbols are size of and not stars of. Size of operator is nothing, it generally calculates the byte size of all data types that we have studied in our previous session. Means size of operator is used to calculate the size of data type, and operator is used to just locate the variable or locate the address of a variable in memory. Means when we declare any variable in our programming, means it takes certain specific area in our memory, and if we want to see the memory area of variable, that variable, then we use this symbol. And what is the star sign indicates means asterisk. Generally it is used for pointers to indicate the memory location. Means it gives the memory location, it also gives address, and it gives the memory location of variable. So in this tutorial we have discussed all the operators that we will make each and every program in this tutorial later video session. First one is arithmetic, relational, logical, bitwise, assignment, conditional, and special operators. So if you have any query about these operators, please mail us at cscitsanjay@gmail.com. Also you can like us on Facebook. Also you can tweet us at this address. Subscribe us on YouTube for upcoming videos. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.